I made a tweet earlier on the 16th of this month where I showed an USD card. I was anticipating a certain level where I'm expected to sell. So the market traded to that level, as we can see currently, is another level on the chart, and I had to sell it. I sold it at that level. At that level. Now, this is the reason why I took this trade. One, I'm anticipating that the market opened at this level, and this is a Judah swing. Judah swing is ICT concept whereby the market moves the wrong direction and eventually moves to the right direction of the market. This is real time trade. This is happening in real time. So it's a live account. You can see it. I'm currently on a losing position. So I sold it here, and this is my stop loss, and this is my take profit. I might decide to take partial profit along the way. I might decide not to. So this I've sold it here. This is the opening price. I'm expecting that before the end of the week, the market is going to go below the opening price. That's the premise of this trade. And another confirmation, another confirmation from dollar index. Dollar index shows bearishness. We can see obviously that the market is trending down from the USD card. This is on the monthly time frame. So it's further confirmation that we are following the trend, we are following the tide. So it's further confirmation and conviction that we are following the tide. So let's see how it goes before the end of the week. There's possibility and probability that the market might not go as we are anticipating. That's why I have a stop loss. The market is not always how you want it to be, so you always have to trade carefully. But this is what the risk. This is what the risk. Let me switch over to a daily time frame. This is what the risk. This is what the risk. So I was anticipating the market to go above this daily high, which if you move over to lower time frames, I still call it or call them liquidity pool. So I was expecting the market to go above this liquidity pool, then trade down. It can still go higher more. I wouldn't be surprised if that happens. But I've already placed my stop loss. So let's see how it goes and let's see how it goes. So that's the idea for my USD card this week. This is what I anticipate for this week, and this is my trade of the week. This is my trade of the week. Every week I post one trade on my Twitter. You can follow me on Twitter at Brito_Bright to follow up with my trade of the week. So this is my trade of the week. Let me see how it goes. So guys, until next time, I wish you good luck and good trading.